Hi friends, happy Sunday. How are you? So today I'm making my pasta, and today for the pasta I have already boiled my pasta. See, I have my ingredients. The onion is there, the capsicum is there, the tomatoes is there, even the garlic cloves is there. I have some salt and I also have some pasta seasoning. So friends, this is my kadai. I've already put some oil in it. In this I will be putting some garlic cloves, so you can just put some garlic cloves, and then after this I will be putting the onions. So friends, this is the first step. You can just mix the onions and just stir it, saute it till it becomes a little brownish. So I just like this transformation of onion. See how easily it transforms from purple to brown. So it looks so nice. While this is getting cooked, I will be putting capsicum in it afterwards, and when every little things, I will be also using my tomato ketchup, so it gives me some taste. You can put some white flour if you want to make a paste out of it. I'm not putting it, a little bit more health conscious today. So this is getting cooked, friends. So while this is getting cooked, in this I will put in a little bit oil because the oil was less. I am putting little oil and get it also cooked nicely. Yes. So I will be putting now my capsicum. See, finely chopped capsicum is there. So my capsicum has been chopped nicely. I'm just cooking this. So wow, this is looking awesome. In this I will be putting the salt, because the moment you will put salt, the vegetables will start cooking more easily. So the salt goes in. So let it cook for at least 1 minute so that it is cooked easily and finely. So friends, I will be putting the seasoning also initially only, because it will add to the flavors. So the seasoning goes in. So see, this is getting cooked and looks beautiful. I can smell the fragrance. It's very delicious. See friends, this is already done. I will be putting my onions, finely chopped onions now. Wow, it's looking wow. I like the color combination. While now this will get cooked for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and you can put the lid on it and let it cook for some time. In the meanwhile, this is my pasta already done. I will be putting some more oregano and the ketchup now. In the meanwhile, it's getting cooked. And friends, how was your Sunday? How you celebrated it? I believe in walks. I believe in yogas. So that's how I spent my Sunday. I try to open my eyes with yoga and evening walks. In between, I study. I keep on doing my daily stuff. See friends, this is already done. I will be putting some ketchup in it. It will add to my taste buds. See friends, it's looking wow. So the ketchup goes in. Yes, I put a little bit more ketchup. It's just give me a very good flavor. See friends, the paste is already done. It looks wow. And just the cooking whole in total takes not more than 8 to 9 minutes. So my pasta goes in, friends, now. See how beautiful it is looking, and I'll mix it very nicely. Oh, see the transformation. See how beautiful it looks. So friends, this is how you can just celebrate your weekdays, weekends. Have this with your friends, family, yourself. Enjoy this, and just have the best of your time. In this I will be putting more of the oregano, so it gives more flavor. So the oregano goes in. See friends, now it's looking the best. So friends, this is how my pasta will look like, and for at least 2 to 3 minutes I'll keep on cooking this, and then serve very nicely on a plate and enjoy it with my cold coffee. Friends, enjoy this with a nice evening. Bye, take care, love you all.